Today's medical-centric topic is why you cough after running and how to stop it. Ever finish a run and suddenly start coughing like crazy? You're not alone. Post-run coughing is common, especially if you're new to running, have asthma, or jog in cold or polluted air. While usually harmless, that irritating tickle can make it hard to cool down or enjoy your post-run high. Here's why it happens and how you can stop it. 1. What causes coughing after running? 1. Exercise-Induced Bronchoconstriction, EIB. Also known as exercise-induced asthma. EIB causes airways to temporarily narrow during or after exercise. Triggers: cold air, dry air, or intense effort. Symptoms: coughing, wheezing, chest tightness, or shortness of breath. 2. Cold or dry air. Running in cold or low humidity environments dries out your airways, causing irritation and coughing. Breathing heavily through your mouth makes it worse. 3. Post-nasal drip. Mucus from allergies or sinus congestion can drip into your throat while running, especially in cooler weather. This triggers coughing during or after exercise. 4. Pollution or allergens. Running in polluted or allergen-heavy environments can irritate your lungs. This is common in urban areas, high pollen seasons, or wildfire-prone regions. 5. Dehydration. Dry throat and airways equals more irritation. Not drinking enough water before or during your run can trigger coughing. 2. How to stop the cough. Before your run, warm up slowly. Let your body and lungs adjust gradually. Use a scarf or buff in cold air to warm and humidify the air you breathe. If you have EIB, talk to your doctor about using an inhaler before running. During your run, breathe through your nose when possible to warm and filter the air. Stay hydrated before and during your workout. Avoid running near traffic or on high pollen days. After your run, cool down properly with light movement and deep breathing. Sip warm fluids like tea or water to soothe your throat. If coughing persists, consider a steam inhalation or hot shower. When to see a doctor. If coughing lasts more than 30 minutes post-run. If you experience wheezing, chest tightness, or difficulty breathing. You may need testing for EIB, asthma, or allergies. Coughing after running is usually caused by cold air, airway irritation, or mild bronchoconstriction. With a few adjustments, like warming up, covering your mouth, and staying hydrated, you can reduce or even stop that post-run cough. And if it's persistent, don't tough it out. Get it checked.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.